right, we're going to move quickly to a couple of unopposed matters, a few. We're going to start out with page 11, Brian Gallagher versus Affinity Lifestyles.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Brianna Switzler on behalf of plaintiffs.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor. It's David Gutke on behalf of defendant Hanna Instruments, Inc.
Good morning.
Morning, Your Honor. Dan Polsenberg for Milwaukee.
Mr. Polsenberg, what are you doing here? Good morning.
You know, just listening to house painting stories.
Oh, yes, you know. And what I've done, Mr. Polsenberg, like especially on these smaller cases, I've tried to save money for everyone involved, and I have these rolling status checks, which makes perfect sense, right? And you have them come in. I do that a lot in business court now, you know, and especially when it comes to management of discovery issues.
Good idea.
Yeah, and I think the lawyers really like it. I really do. That's what they tell me. And we get things done now.
Yep.
That's an important thing. And good morning, sir. Anyone else? All right, and so as far as this matter is concerned, I just want to make sure I get it correct. We have defendant Hanna Instruments motion for good faith, determination of good faith settlement. And it's my understanding there's been no opposition filed, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, and we're going to go ahead and grant that, sir.
Your Honor, Eric Freeman for Real Water.
Yes, sir.
Our understanding is that Hanna has globally settled with all plaintiffs in all cases. We've been provided that amount. Last case, the 3 consolidated cases, Cavey, plaintiffs provided an allocation as to how much for those 3 cases and how it's allocated among each of the plaintiffs. We're wondering if we were going to get something like that again.
I brought with me the allocation in case the court wanted to see it for in-camera review. We also are willing to share that with anybody over the phone, but
I understand, not publicly.
not publicly. So I'd be happy to talk to Mr. Freeman now if he wants to see it before it's granted, or afterwards we can provide that one.
Afterward is fine. I figured there was something like that floating around. I just hadn't seen it and wanted to bring it up. So we obviously agree. The global amount is confidential, and all allocated amounts are confidential as well. So we'll honor that.
Okay.
I'll get in touch with Mr. Freeman after.
Okay, I understand. And Mr. Freeman, he'll get in touch with you.
Excellent. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, sir. And it's granted, sir.
All right, thank you.
Okay, we're moving on. I guess next up will be page 18, Ginger Land Van Buren versus Affinity Lifestyles. And once again, that's Hanna Instruments motion for determination of good faith.
Correct, Your Honor. We have 3 of these. So this is the next one up. Again, there's been no opposition.
No opposition. And if there's any issue regarding that allocation, you'll share that with counsel.
Right.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you restate appearances because it's a new calendar page now?
Okay, let's go ahead and restate appearances for this page for the court clerk.
Good morning. This is Brianna Switzler on behalf of the plaintiffs.
David Gutke for Hanna Instruments.
Eric Freeman for Real Water.
And is Mr. Polsenberg on this one too?
Oops.
Okay,
No, he's not.
anyway, any discussion on this one? Same issues, right? Unopposed. And Mr. Freeman, counsel will provide you with an allocation for your file.
Yes, thank you.
Granted, sir.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
And we have one more, right?
Yep, one more.
Hunter Brown versus Affinity Lifestyles Inc. Same issue. Let's go ahead and set forth our appearances for that one for the court clerk.
Page 36.
Page 36.
Good morning. Again, this is Brianna Switzler on behalf of plaintiffs.
David Gutke for defendants, Hanna Instruments, SID US, and SID International.
Eric
Appearances
Eric Freeman for Real Water.
Thank you.
in the prior matter, we also represent the SID US and SID International. If you put that down as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I guess it's the same issue, a determination of good faith settlement, no opposition. Counsel will provide Mr. Freeman with an allocation.
That is correct, Your Honor.
How's that, Mr. Freeman?
Perfect, thank you.
Okay, I'll grant the motion. And lastly, before I let you go, are we getting closer to global resolution of this matter?
I defer to Ms. Switzler on that one.
Well, I guess,
Good morning, Your Honor. There's a lot of balls in the air, I guess to say is.
I understand.
Obviously, we're moving forward on all these trials and we'd be hopeful for some sort of global settlement, but there's other issues.
I understand what's going on. And here's my take. Do I have a high level of confidence that there'll be global resolution before September? Probably not. When it comes to February, like I said in the prior matter, I think there might be a chance. We're
Yeah,
gonna-
I guess we can all be hopeful as well.
I'm not as hopeful for September. I'm not, but it is what it is. But I guess that's it. Anything else?
Nothing on behalf of plaintiffs, Your Honor.
Everyone enjoy your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so
Have
I'm
a
gonna,
good day.
yeah, you too, sir.